Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your display name on Discord application using your mobile device. First of all, open up your Discord application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Discord, click on the U button at the bottom right corner. Once you end up in this page, click on Edit Profile. You will then be able to see your display name on the page. Go to your display name tab and write down the new name you want to change to. Once done, click on Save at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display name on Discord account. You can change your display name as often as you like, and you've successfully updated your display name on Discord within a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.